Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I'm just going to do a quick little chat and kit up this canvas, which is only 18 colours, so it will just be a quick one. So yeah, how are you all getting on with living the 30 by 40 life 22? We've had 10 completions posted to the hashtag on Instagram so far. Thank you to the ladies that have been sending me either by Facebook Messenger or by Instagram Messenger or by email their completion, so that I can put them onto the Instagram little page as well. As say, if you add hashtag living the 30 by 40 life 22, then it automatically puts it onto that group and you can follow and go and see what everybody else is doing as well. But yeah, I thought I'll give this one a go because it's got glow in the dark drills and I just want to appear a little bit cultured while I'm doing my little challenge as well. Thank you to everybody that's taking part. It's great to see everybody's completions. And would you like me to do like a montage at the end of each week to show you the pictures that everybody's done, or shall I save it to the end of the week? You'll have to let me know. Sadly, you're all doing better than me because I've still got 3 sections to do on my little Westie at the moment. I've had a bit of a rough week, to be fair. Yeah, but anyway, let's get this started and I'll tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so anyway, hope everybody is doing well and that life is treating you kindly. Let me just get these. It's a very small key code that I've got here. This is my little Xyron sticker maker to turn anything that you put through it into a sticker, which just makes life a little bit easier. Yeah, it's very teeny tiny. There is one down each side. I know some people do cut them off and use the ones that are on the canvas, but I find I'm too clumsy and I catch them and they pull off and come off my little containers, which I can't be doing with. Right, what have I done with my scissors? Oh, I've got my mini. Not a good start. Right, so let's get these off here. So yeah, the carrier sheet takes off any excess sticky that's around the edges and then just leaves you with a sticker in the middle. So let me carefully cut these. I've actually got my reading glasses on while I'm doing this, the ones I use for when I'm trying to do computer work. So I'm seeing if it makes any difference. And it doesn't appear to be because I'm not cutting these lines very straight whatsoever. So not good. But yeah, I was reliably informed that this YG at the end of the 5200 means that it's a glow in the dark drill. So I'm sorry, I can't remember which lady told me that information, but thank you very much. You learn something new every day, and that's what diamond painting's all about and crafting's all about. Just getting together and having a bit of fun. Are these all in? Oh, and that's the AB there as well. Yeah, we've got an AB on this one, I'd forgotten. So, yep, this is my canvas from Fan Cells. I think it was from Fan Cells. I've written it somewhere. Yeah, Fan Cells, and it only cost £3.99. And it's got glow in the dark drills, and it's also got ABs in it as well. So special drills for £3.99. Excellent. Right. So let me get these popped on here. And when I get my chicken done, it's going to go next to my chicken. If you've not seen that one, it's like a chicken photobomb in this picture. Oh no, it's Scream, that one, isn't it? What am I thinking of? I don't know. Oh, anyway, I've got a ghost one that's got this. I've got a few. I've got my Doctor Who ones as well. I could have themes all over the house, couldn't I? Oh dear, I'll have to start charging people to come in and see them. Oh dear, not good. Anyway, so yeah, I started feeling a bit poorly on Tuesday, and I was up for a couple of hours, and I thought, oh look, I haven't cut those in half. I don't feel very brilliant, so I decided I'd just go and have a lie down for a couple of hours, and like 6 hours later, I woke up. Fortunately, hubby was okay, because I do panic, you know, when you're a full-time carer for somebody. You know, you don't want to leave them on their own, but I just felt really washed out. And then Wednesday morning, I thought, oh, I'll just do a COVID test because I had a little bit of a cough and I just felt really, really worn out, just off colour, as it were. Couldn't really put my finger on it, just didn't feel very well. And I did a COVID test and the first one came back sort of positive. It had a little bit of a very faint line. And let's just get these gems out. And I thought, oh no. I mean, my first thought is, oh heck, hubby's vulnerable. Where am I going to put him? Because we've not got any family near. And with the best will in the world, the house isn't that big. And when you're a full-time carer for somebody, you've got to go near them, you know, for various different personal things. So I just thought, oh no, what am I going to do? And then because it was only a faint line, I sent it off. You can like scan the little test thing that they give you and send it off. And it came back saying, you're not positive, it's negative. So I thought, all right, I'll leave it a couple of hours and I'll do another test. And I did another test and it was negative. And I've done another test today and it's still negative. But I still don't feel absolutely brilliant. I mean, I spent most of yesterday asleep as well. So, yeah, I'm not quite sure really what's going on. But maybe I've just got a bit run down. I don't know. I mean, I'm okay. You know, I'm able to do this and, you know, I'm able to look after hubby. But I just feel as though as soon as I've done something, all I want to do is then just go to sleep. Oh, look, and I haven't even got a tray out, have I? That's how half asleep I am. So, hence this will be quite a quick whip and chat. Plus, I don't want to fall asleep and start snoring because I do snore. Since I put weight on, I do snore quite a lot. It's when the dog starts waking you up because you're snoring, you've got to start worrying. You know, Millie, our little Scotty dog, yeah, she does sleep sort of, well, wherever she likes, really. Sometimes in the bedroom with us, sometimes downstairs, sometimes on my pillow. And you'll suddenly get woken up by this really heavy weight on your chest and you think, oh, I'm having a heart attack. And it's not, it's because the dog's sat on your chest and staring at your face. And what she's basically saying is, I'm trying to sleep, will you stop snoring, please? Oh dear. Yeah, so when the dog's telling you to stop snoring, you know it's loud. Because dogs do tend to forgive you for most things, don't they? So yeah, it's been a bit of a quietish week, really. I've managed to get out to the post office and post the 3 parcels for my 3 good YouTube friends and Instagram friends and just general friends who are going to are going to take on my experiment. So I've posted them some canvases each, some double-sided tape canvases, which I have rolled back up and sent through the post to see how they fare and to see, now then, have I done that wrong? No, that's definitely 310. So, oh no, that is, do you know, it's because it's folded up into 2s, isn't it? I was just thinking that's the AB, and I've got the AB pot here. Yeah, it's number 5. So I've got to extra concentrate today. So if you see me start going wrong, yell. Yeah, so the ladies that agreed for me, Kay and Rachel and Claire, have all agreed to take some of the canvases and then they will unbox them on their channels, unbag them and show you what's happened to the canvas going through the post, which I think will be very interesting because we're all, you know, we've always said, and when you listen to YouTube and other creators said, oh, don't roll your canvases back up again. And as you know, I've been doing a little bit of an experiment just to see, well, what does happen if you do roll them back up, and can you still, you know, get the creases out, and can you still use them? And the answer seems to be yes, but we'll see what happens to them going through the post. Of course, I've posted them and now we've got a 2-day postal strike here in the UK, so they're going to take longer to get to the ladies. But anyway, so I'll let you know when they post their videos, and I'll put links to their channels down below, so pop across and go and check them out. They're 3 really good YouTubers, really entertaining, you know, really worth following, so go and give them some YouTube love. And yeah, so that will be really interesting to see. I was going to post some back to myself, and then I thought, no, because it is expensive, is postage at the moment. Everything just seems to have gone mad. I know there's quite a few things I'd love to buy from the US, and I would love a craftably canvas, but it's just so expensive at the moment, and I don't blame the companies at all. The postage for the canvas is more than the actual canvas, so you know, it just doesn't make sense to order anything from there. And you know, if things go up, because the companies have to charge, you know, they've got to make a living as well. So yeah, so at the moment I'm not ordering from some of the bigger companies, and some of the like trays and things and accessories, you know, that I'd quite like to try. Just not ordered them because of the postage at the moment. We're very lucky. We're getting a massive, we're getting a good amount of diamond painting people and accessory making people in the UK. So, you know, we've got quite a nice choice now here as well. We're not limited, but yeah, it's a little bit sad when things are so expensive, and everything else is going up as well. What can I say? But I'm not going to get into that because I've already said I've not had a very good week health-wise, so I don't want you all to be depressed. You come on here for a bit of fun. And I'm desperately trying not to spill any of these, so... Right, number 12 is number 12. So, yeah, I think I've told you about Thomas. He's back, he's still around. Is now, because he's discovered our back garden again. He did used to, when he first started coming round, he did used to come and sit on our back fence and watch Millie and drive her mad. And then he seemed to sort of forget about our back garden. But since we had the garage encounter where I'd got him shut in the garage, he seems to have now discovered our garage again, and he's just coming quite a bit into the back garden. And poor Millie, she's taken now to just completely ignoring him. If she sees him sort of like, he'll be sat here and she's trotting along, she'll sort of like trot that way. Completely avoid him, bless her. But yeah, at least she's learned her a lesson. I mean, you know, she is bigger than him actually. He's not a very big tomcat at all. But yeah, she's learnt her lesson. She doesn't go near him anymore. She's been out for a walk today. It's been raining a lot here. Had quite a downpour, so she's getting quite wet. And she always wants to come and snuggle up to you when she's wet. I do dry her. She's got her towels. She's really good. She doesn't like being wet, so she don't mind when she's out quite so much. But when she comes into the house, she comes and she wants to just sit right close up to you. But she'll stand and wait at the door to be dried first. You know, she's a proper lady, and she'll lift her arm up this way and she'll lift her arm up that way so you can dry her tummy as well. You know, I think she just likes the tummy rub, to be honest, because the towel's always warm. What can I say? I spoil my dog. Oh dear. Anyway, so yeah, this is just a very quick kitting up. It's going a lot faster than I even anticipated. All these colours are absolutely gorgeous, all these blues. So yeah, hubby's okay. He's got a hospital appointment next week, so we're back on the hospital treadmill a little bit next week, but we have had a week or so off, so it's been quite nice. It's really nice looking at the calendar and not thinking, oh no, we've got to go to hospital, and having to make arrangements and making sure that, you know, nothing else is on. And yeah, so that's been quite good as well. Okay, but as I just thought I'd pop on and say about my little challenge, my little event of living the 30 by 40 life. It is just a bit of fun. I will be doing some giveaways, so the next sort of whip and chat-ish video that I do round about, it'll be the 14th of September or just after, which is like the 2-week mark with the event nearly halfway. I will be doing my little giveaway on that one, so watch this space as to what you need to do. You'll need to watch the video to find out what you need to do to win. As I say, it's the giraffe canvas, but if that one's not to your taste or you've already got that one, then if you do win, I can always try it and sort something else out for you. But yes, okay, and that is the glow in the dark drills as well. Wow, I think this is the fastest kitting up I have ever done. But I must admit, I do just want to now go and lay down and go to sleep. Whoops, let me just throw all these bits and pieces away. And I will put that in there so I know which one it is. This is my new little storage case that I got free with my Craft Buddy order, my last Craft Buddy order that I got. So that just arrived in time. And I've got my little sticker on it, look, that Charlotte sent me, so that I know which way up it is. I mean, to be fair, this one's got the writing on the top, so I should really know on this one. But yeah, just handy so I don't open my containers the wrong way around. Anyway, so apologies that this is just a very quick chat, just to catch up and see how you're all getting on. Let me know in the comments how you're getting on with your 30 by 40s. As I say, I'm still wanting to, if I can, get 4 or 5 done this month. I would like to have got more done, but as you can see, I haven't even finished one yet, and we're in the first week is over. But you can't always do everything. Anyway, so I hope you've enjoyed this video and this little chat. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next and see what's happening with the 30 by 40 challenge, don't forget, hashtag living the 30 by 40 life 22. And if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.